Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss difference between two words which have the same meaning but still are very different. Okay, so let's see. These two words are hear and listen. Yes, hear and listen. Yes. Both of these words have something in common. These both words have ears in common, right? Whether we hear something or we listen to something, ear is the medium. Okay, so now what's the difference? Firstly, it refers to, both of these words refer to sensory information which we take in, which we process through our ears. Ear is a sense organ, so it's a sensory information which we are taking in. Then what's the difference? Firstly, let's see hear. Hear is a verb. Verb is an action. So when we are hearing something, an action is taking place. It is a natural process. You can't control it. For example, while you are watching this video, there must be many sounds in the background. You are not giving attention to them, still you can't help it. Those voices are processing inside. Those voices you are able to hear. You are able to hear, and that's why it's a natural process. For example, I heard. Heard is past tense of hear. I heard dog barking last night. I can't control it. Oh, there is someone in the backyard. I hear some footsteps. I can hear some footsteps. There is someone in the backyard. So are you getting it? It's a natural process. Whether you like it or not, whether it's pleasant or painful, this is going to take place. Now listen. Listen is also a verb. It is also an action, but it is a conscious action. Here you are paying attention to something or someone, then only you can listen. So you are listening to what I am saying, but at the same time you can hear some background noises. So it is a natural process, and this listen is not natural. It is a conscious, it is an attentive action. You are paying attention. Fine. One tip for using this word: whenever you listen, whenever you use listen, generally two word is added to it. To, it's a preposition, to. For example, you are listening to me. We should listen to our elders. We should listen to our teachers. To. Why don't you listen to me? Right? We say this thing. Why don't you listen to me? So with listen, we should use to. This to is not used generally in two cases. One, when the object or the person to whom we are speaking is not mentioned. I am listening carefully. So object is not mentioned. That's why no to. If it is used as a second, if it is used as a discourse maker, listen, I am talking to you. Right? Listen, comma, I am talking to you. Here also to will not be used. So this is the difference between hear and listen. I hope you have understood it now. Don't just hear. Listen if you want to learn. This is Anushree signing off. Thank you.